Boxing expert. Bakit?
Grabe ka naman kaman. Ay, down!
Expert ka eh. Kailangan ako.
Nakakapagod ba siya, Jeff? Or hindi? Parang wala.
Nakakapagod siya actually kasi you start sweating also dun sa action sa ginagawa mo.
Dahil nakakapagod.
Nakakapagod
Ikaw
siya.
mukha kang mapapagod. Mukhang hindi.
Round 1.
Yeah, ha? Round 2, ha?
Round 2.
Sino kaya nalo?
Lupaan mo ka eh.
Ay! Diyos ko po! Lockdown. Ang bangit ka naman.
Sorry, bully. Video games eh. Second, childhood.
Hindi, yan naman eh. Yan, nakakapagod pa yan. Oo.
Pagod na.
Ay, Diyos ko po, lockdown. Makasundo ka naman sana. Baka nila mo pa ugali na ka.
Video games eh. Hindi pwede matalo.
Uy, pinawisan nga silang gawin fairness. Knock-out or what? So, lalo na ngayon, tag-ulan or traffic, it's a nice way to stay fit. Papawisan ka pa rin, pero within the confines of your home. So, how often do you go boxing?
As much as possible actually, pag may free day talaga.
Which almost never happens, no?
Yeah,
Your
pero
schedule.
siguro mga twice a week.
And how long do you stay at a time?
Kung pwede nga lang, buong araw andun ako. Kasi
Talaga?
pag sa gym ako, it's a challenge for me also eh. Yung to go through all the exercises na kailangan gawin.
Do you have a trainer that you go to every
Yes,
time?
yes,
Or nag-iiba-iba?
Meron, one trainer lang lagi. Tapos ano siya, professional fighter.
Para makita niya talaga yung progress mo.
Mm-hmm.
And in terms of changes sa body, do you really see changes?
Meron din lalo na pag yung may time talaga to it, yung consistent paulit almost every day. Nakakaano talaga. Ang sarap ng feeling also, being healthier.
Oo nga.
Mas masarap yung feeling, mas magaang.
Yung pawis pag nagbaboxing, kasi nagbaboxing din ako, ibang klaseng eh. Oo nga. Na-try ko before.
Full body
Tagal ko na
workout
hindi
talaga.
nagpawis ng ganun kagrabe. Ano yung, but you also have the Wii Fit at home.
Yes, meron din. Kasi yung Wii kasi it revolutionized gaming eh. I also like playing video games a lot. So, it revolutionized gaming kasi ang daming iniisip ng mga tao. Mga gamers usually tamad lang, lagi nasa bahay.
Oo nga. May benefits ba yan?
This one, yes. Meron siyang mga training na pwede mong sundan everyday na
You build up,
you build up also.
challenge.
Yeah, tapos meron siyang mga everyday exercises na gagawin mo, tapos nag-ano ka rin, pagaling yung performance mo.
At least hindi na sedentary lifestyle ka. Bahay ka na hindi ka yung kainan ng chips.
Yeah.
Kasama pa rin natin si Jeff later. And when we come back, we will learn the basics of arranging flowers using fruits and vegetables. Stay with us. I'm sure you've noticed, floral design is not exclusive to flowers or blooms alone. Pwede lang i-incorporate fruits and vegetables. Make it more interesting. At para ipakita sa atin kung paano kasama natin si Anton Adriatico, businessman and a student from the Institute of Philippine Floral Technique with April Ong, Anton's fellow student. Welcome to the show. Thank you for being here. At syempre, dahil flowers ang ating pag-uusapan, kasama natin si Rosalina Carla Abellana. Ang reyna ng mga bulaklak. If you see the flowers we have here, it might not be common kasi nakikita, they're actually imported from China, but the good news is they are readily available here. Right? Saan? Sa Dangwa lang, meron na to.
Yes. Okay, so let's start the demo.
Basic muna, what should
Okay, basic is you have to define first the area in which you're going to put your design. Okay, so maybe you'd like to get first the curly willow. Carla?
Ayun yung tawag na curly
Yes, the
willow.
curly willow. All right.
Si Marie. Let's have a
Okay.
curly willow.
We are doing a contemporary design of focal area technique, which means that since you are going to have this huge, humongous
Cabbage
cabbage rose, which comes in two colors. Carla is holding the lighter one.
Ay, naku, Rosalinda, sandali nga pala. Last point pala, lalabas ako doon sana niya, ha? Pero gusto ko lang yung mga.
So after we have defined the space, then of course we use first. You can put down the curly willow, and of course you have to use your scissors there.
Does cabbage rose last? What's the lifespan?
About a week.
A week?
More than a week.
And how much is this size?
It's
More or less?
350.
Oh. 300
For one? For one, yeah.
Not bad for beauty every day in your house.
That's right.
Alright.
So this is the contemporary design. We're going to put this on this side. As you can see, Carla's arrangement there is more on the lighter color side. So you have to put a little pressure and then get your curly willow now. You just imagine that this is now your focal point. So everything that we're going to do is emerge from this point.
Oh.
And now you have your focal, cabbage rose. So stick it in, bend it carefully. Now you can cut it somewhere there, and then stick it there.
Oh.
So you have a continuity
Oh,
of
there you
line. Okay. Now you're letting go of your creative impulses there. Then
Pwede wala
back
kaming
to the-
bridge over troubled waters. Ganyan na lang
Hindi
siya.
maabot.
Yeah, you can do that also. Then you get to see all the other flowers and the berries that you have here. This is called the Hypericum.
Hypericum.
Then remember, this is the area. You are confined to this area, so you work on the area. And since these are taller, you cannot put this by itself. So you begin cutting them. Then you can put it. Just remember that the stems are supposed to come out from this point, Carla.
April, yung ba mga fruits and vegetables galing din dito sa Pilipinas or made in China din?
Galing yan dito sa Pilipinas. Yung
Eto? Kalabasa ba? Totoong kalabasa ba to?
gourds, parang decorative lang.
But actually, they belong to the same
Ay, may
family as
sungay na
squash
siya.
as our kalabasa, no?
Eto din?
Yeah. So the idea of putting in vegetables and fruits together is because this is supposed to be a Halloween arrangement, right? And usually Halloween falls in autumn, where harvesting of the fruits and flowers are just finishing off. Of course, for time constraints, okay. How are you doing there?
Good. Ay,
All right.
may hapon tayo there.
So you can use these flowers and also the apples also and the grapes also. Okay, April has put on the fruits and the apples.
Yay!
Yay! And then?
And apple.
Yeah, is that okay?
Yes.
If it's hang for the end?
Yes.
Kailangan
Yes,
natin
but you
pa
have to
ng...
put,
Yeah, something
an apple
else.
there or
Alright.
another
Paano mo tinutusok yung prutas para hindi siya mahulog?
For the apple, you have to
No, for the grape.
For the grape.
For the grapes, you
Patong
have
lang.
you have to take off a little bit of the
Yeah.
Fruit.
of the
Take off
fruit
the fruit.
itself, and then have the stem. Let's do it. Have the stem come out.
Carla, binibigyan ka ba ni Jeff ng flowers? Oo. Oo. Dapat talaga. Alam mo, Jeff, dapat talaga. Nagbibigay. Tama yun.
Okay.
Naman ni Jeff.
Here you are.
Ano mo, fruits mo? Ay, thank you.
So you have
Saan
four
ko siya
stems.
Parang over.
Push it in. This is how
Okay,
stuff
okay
like
lang.
this.
Okay.
Anyway, you can use leaves also to cover this. But as it is, but you have to cover.
Oh.
You have to cover this. So whatever you have there, like the eucalyptus.
Oh, maliliit na uba. Dirty naman. Oh, we need a... April, paano mag-enroll sa school nyo?
So you can log on to our website for information on enrolling.
Ano ba yung saan ba, Miss April?
Website namin is www.ipHFE.com. Yun. May lahat na ng information on enrolling. Nandun lahat.
Or you can visit us in Malate. The school is in the Malate area, Madre Ignacia. You can call also 400
1416.
Yes. For information.
How long ba is the course?
It's a 10 months course.
Oh.
10 months.